Hello everyone, I am Tatiana and welcome to Infinite Gist. And today we'll talk about lunar eclipse. Have you ever stood under a night sky, looked at the moon, and suddenly seen it turn blood red? It's one of those moments that makes you feel small, yet deeply connected to the universe. And tonight, let's uncover why the moon changes so dramatically and why the upcoming eclipse in September 2025 is one you can't miss. A lunar eclipse isn't just science, it's an experience. Imagine sitting with your loved ones, watching as Earth slowly casts its shadow across the moon. Bit by bit, the glowing orb fades, until it's swallowed by darkness. What we are seeing isn't magic. It's sunlight bending through Earth's atmosphere. The same light that paints sunsets red now paints the moon with the same color. That's why a total eclipse feels strangely familiar, like watching a giant sunset in the sky. Before we understood science, our ancestors filled the mystery with stories. In China, they imagined a dragon eating the moon. In South America, it was a wild animal. For them, this wasn't just astronomy, it was life, death, and destiny written in the sky. And I have a question. What story would you tell if you didn't know the science? Stir your imagination. And would you be so kind as to share your imagination in the comments? And soon we'll get to witness this wonder again. On September the 7th, 2025, the full moon will turn deep red during a total lunar eclipse lasting more than 50 minutes. Picture this. Billions of people across Asia, Australia, Africa, and Europe, 85% of the world looking up at the same sky, sharing the same awe. Here in South Asia, it will happen just before midnight, a perfect moment to step outside and experience the universe together. Unlike solar eclipses, lunar eclipses are safe to watch with the naked eye, so you don't need fancy equipment, just a clear night sky and a little patience, and maybe some company to share the magic with. It's a cosmic event you can truly feel. One day, people may stand on the moon itself and watch Earth turn red during an eclipse. Imagine this, seeing our home as a glowing ring of fire. Until then, each eclipse here reminds us how beautifully connected we are to the cosmos and to each other. The moon turning red has always stood our emotions. Fear, wonder, love, connection, it's all there. On September the 7th, 2025, step outside, look up, and remember, you are part of a story written across the stars. So, if you plan to watch the eclipse, tell me where in the world you'll be. Let's share the moment together. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. I'm Tatiana. Thanks for watching us and subscribe to Infinite Gist. Enjoy watching and take care. See you next time.